Waterfront Wednesdays are back after historic flooding in Kentuckiana. Thanks to major efforts of Metro cleanup crews, the 23rd season of Waterfront Wednesdays kicked off today. As the night team's photojournalist Aspen Hester found, people were itching to get back to their summer staple just 2 weeks after Waterfront Park was covered in feet of water.
We are at Waterfront Wednesday. Honey, ready to have a good time.
Right, WFEK, Waterfront Wednesday.
Louisville, where you at?
Watching some live music, hanging out, playing dama. It takes a lot of practice. One of the basic ones is around the world. You go like that, and oh hey, I laced it. Let's go.
It's our first Wednesday of our 23rd season.
That's it. We love music, and we love being outside, listening to music.
All right, are you ready for some music?
Yeah, wasn't there like a whole boat like on the lawn?
Pretty remarkable that we are standing here today, given the historic flood that we had. They came in and they were a huge help in getting this park ready. They knew how important this park is for our community and having Waterfront Wednesday.
It's kind of nuts. The fact that it was flooded and then a week later we were driving down that same road.
There's still a lot of work to do. We're certainly thankful for all the volunteers that have reached out.
I saw some volunteers out there and I said, thank you so much for all your hard work.
We had water that was halfway up the Big Four lawn. So things look a little different.
The stage is usually down there. And we was figuring because it was so probably muddy, that's why they changed it.
But we're here tonight, and I imagine people are itching to get a corn dog.
I'm gonna get a corn dog and one soda.
Keep on having it. Yeah, keep on having it.
Look at all of that fun. If you couldn't make it to the first, not to worry. The last Waterfront Wednesday will be held September 17th.